Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to allow contactless payments on Revolut. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you want to enable contactless payments in Revolut, well, this one is quite easy. The first things first is you want to access your Revolut account and go and click on the cards option that you see at the top right of your screen. Now, in your cards, you should be able to see a number of cards that you can actually use. So, go and just choose or press on one of the cards that you currently have right now. Now, once you are in one of your cards, you want to go and click on the settings option that you see at the center right portion of your screen here, and that should redirect you to your card settings. Now, you want to scroll down to the very bottom here until you see the section that says contactless payments. Now, by default, this is going to be turned off, so you want to go and click on the toggle on it to enable contactless payments. And once you've enabled that, that should allow you to make contactless payments. Now, by the way, you may need to enable NFC depending on your device here, but that should be good to go. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.